Assalamualaikum everyone. Yan, good evening. We're actually here sa Pablo Campos Senior Extension or Vito Cruz yan, Manila, Metro Manila for another dining adventure and kainan. I'm your lifestyle vlogger and celebrity of course yan, si Isabel. Yan, we're going to go to another famous na yan, milk tea, yung mga coffee, and of course yung mga drinks, fresh from UAE and of course Oman, di ba? Ang napakasarap and of course the first ever na Dubai-based na drinks here in the Philippines. Ang tawag sa kanila, ito na, Latif, Philippines. Let's go inside dito sa may building na malapit sa Yoshimitsu and of course harap mismo ng Banco de Oro. Let's go inside. So here is a Latif, Philippines. We're going to try different drinks, diba? We have coconut latte, cheesecake, the big boba, coconut lime, the brown sugar, and of course the tea strawberry, and the supreme flame orange na hot drink, and the Spanish latte na hot, and of course we're going to try the mango avocado, the tar and oreo, and of course